5 Dave Edwards, a 00 Austin Maynard, 1W Sean Wilcher, 66S Nick Stremme, 42 Adam Cartwright, 87 Justin Voyage, 8F Braxton Franks, 166 Kyle and Dennis Fair. Here they come, green flag, and we're racing!
Feature time, and it's going to be the 15 of Ed Williams Jr. pulling out front.
And then the 73 of Wayne Huffman and the 99 of Mike Walsh. Lineups in.
Trouble with the 140 of Rich Boyle. Struggling along that back stretch. He's dropped really far off. The 91 of Landry Potter worked his way all the way up to that second spot. And right behind him, Nick Clubb in the 146.
Everybody kind of checking up behind Dean Patterson there on that inside. Almost getting bumper banger there.
And it went in a super bumper bang. As the 1W of Sean Wilcher trying to work his way, was kind of a pickle in the middle, as him in the 64 of Dean Patterson getting a little close.
So here comes the 146 of Nick Clubb to go to challenge Landry Potter. Matthew Clausen right in there. Nick Clubb trying to hang on the inside there. Matthew Clausen's not going to make it easy in that 16 car.
No, but that 15 of Ed Williams Jr. holding that pace out front. We'll see if Landry Potter, who's going to give him a little bump, and there's the trouble.
Right in the beginning. Look out.
And this is going to be a big-time mess. And the Sola B here in the 166. Doing some damage over there. We got problems with the 66 machine. 66X of Nick Stremme. We got a mess in turn 3 and 4.
Looks like to bring them around. 91 car. A lot of hungry drivers right behind him. Ed's going to pick up. We're now entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come. Green flag, we're racing.
And Landry Potter in that 91 machine. Going to try to hold pace, and 1 and 2 on the back stretch he goes. That 146 of Nick Clubb running really well on that high side, running tight. Lossy in that C machine. Side by side they go. Clubb almost helped them usher around that turn.
Now we got a new leader. It's Matthew Lossy in that 16C car. Potter's into the battle here for third now as Nick Clubb's going to try to do exactly what Matthew Lossy did.
Yeah, door to door those two go. Turns 1 and 2. Clubb's going to come out of there in the lead, but Clossy's your overall leader out of Beloit, Wisconsin.
And it's Dave Edwards on the inside. Here comes that 00 of Austin Maynard looking to make this mark here in that top 5.
And the 73 of Wayne Huffman hugging that low side a little low. Saw a little dirt there.
James Swan looking to get in that top 5. He's now challenging Austin Maynard, the 00 car.
Lossy trying to pull away from the rest. Nice little move by Logan Maynard in that 28. So he got around Dean Patterson. But you better watch out because Timmy Stewart in that 18 might get him.
Will Nick Clubb be able to run down Matthew Lossy? It kind of looks like it as Clubb is inching ever closer to him.
And that number 5 machine, Dave Edwards, working his way into that top 3. Matthew Clossy won the A-Bash to get into this. And look at where he is right now.
Getting pushed by Landry Potter into Tom Guiley. Everybody's okay. No harm, no foul.
Great driving by all these drivers. 87 getting a little squirrely over here.
Tom Guiley making this move past Austin Maynard. Now Tom Guiley in the 5 hole here. Maynard trying to come back at it. Guiley and Austin Maynard still going at it there. It looks like Austin Maynard started to catch him. He's catching him again. Great battle there for the 5th place.
Just under 0.3 of a second between the leader and second pace with Colossy and Clubb. Edwards still trying to close on him, but James Swan in that 27 making some great moves.
Danny Church now wants a piece of that top 5 action. He's starting to get an Austin Maynard, starting to look to his inside.
And Edwards and Swan go side by side across the line.
Modified versus modified.
And right behind them, the 040 of Tom Guiley.
And the 9S car of Rodney Spencer, the official breakout guy. He's going to get the black flag as him and Adam Cartwright are in contact.
Yeah, that top qualifier and Adam Cartwright trying to find his way up and about. We haven't hit the halfway point yet. Anyway you look at it, Colossi's still over Club.
Logan Maynard getting around the Landry Potter car now in the 91. Logan Maynard, whoa, hang on to it. Dave Edwards goes around. And it could be ugly. Look out.
Wow.
Woo! Justin Poinitz barely gets around Dave Edwards. A lot of smoke in that deal there.
Yeah, Dave Edwards and Tom Guiley having a little bit of connect.
Length of the car, quarter pace, car duck on out. Matthew Clossy, your current leader, as Nick Clubb and James Swan are ready to do battle with them. And he's going to pick up speed. Here they come. Raw steel collision restart zone in effect. Free flag.
And it looks like a good start. And it's a really good start for Colossy.
Challenging Club, trying to get second. Dave Edwards may go with them. Danny Church is trying to figure out which lane is faster.
Yeah, as he's going high, low, high, low.
Austin Maynard trying to pull away from Dave Edwards now, looking pretty good in that turn. But in the battles for second right now between Club
and Cartwright and Potter bounce a little bit. That'll bump Cartwright back a little bit. Colossy making it look easy out front.
Quite a battle in the back there between Cartwright, Stremme, Poinitz, and Peter Hernandez. All 4 of them there, side by side. Here comes Clay Kurtz, the challenge Poinitz.
Tom Guiley in that 40 trying to work his way back up there. Long race, and we got trouble with the 28.
Oh, no, this is going to look ugly here. Ouch.
We got trouble in the 3 and 4.
Looked like the 28M of Logan Maynard's engine may have expired as he went up in smoke, and that was all she wrote.
Yeah, you talked about Stremme and that.
Logan Maynard is out of his car. The driver, is okay.
It's going to go over there and check to see how Landry Potter's doing as well. But you talked about the 66XS of Nick Stremme with that lower frame that was dragging. It looks like that's all she wrote on that frame.
Sick driver is okay. Everybody's okay. Pace car are out. We are going racing this next time by as Matthew Clossy's going to bring them around.
There's that slow crawl.
Seems to be working as they watched the other driver do it. And they are now entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come. Green flag, we're racing.
And it looks good as they go into turns 1 and 2. Walls in that 99 actually making a nice little move as he snuck his way up there.
And here comes the inside. James Swan, Cody Club, side by side. Austin Maynard waiting for something to happen as he's got Danny Church right next to him.
And watch out for that 27 of James Swan. He took that inside. He can drive it hard and fast. Danny Church just a little bit on that outside of him.
Now it's Nick Club trying to pull away just a little bit from Swan. Here comes Dan Church on the outside of Swan.
Glossy's been out front since the get-go of this thing. And he's sitting cozy out front again. Club in second, but the battle is Church and Swan for 3rd and 4th. Swan trying the low move. Church won't let him by on the high side.
Yeah, great battle between Dan Church and James Swan. Looks like the high side might be a little bit faster bit of ground. Not now. Here comes James Swan, almost trying to slide it up in there. Watching that between him and Dan Church.
And that 42 machine of Adam Cartwright, he's still trying to work his way up there. Inside the top 10 now to the 8th spot. Church and Swan side by side they go. Colossy's still out front. Club right there behind him. Nice little move by Dave Edwards as he creeps up on Timmy Stewart in the 18. And
Justin Pointage up against the wall there in that 87 car. They just got a little too high there up in the turn 2.
have to keep a good eye on him as Swan and Church side by side. Those two continue to go in that 3rd and 4th spot. Austin Maynard in that 00. He wants to get by, but he has no room. He's going to try and swing it really low in the 00, and those two cut him off. Church and Swan.
Church almost had an edge over him that time, as he does now. Swan might want to try to tuck in there. He's just going to hang in there, and then inside, Austin Maynard wants to squeeze in there.
He's trying to find just a little limelight in there, and he can't find it behind those two as Colossi continues to lead.
15 to go, Rockford Speedway for our A-bracket main feature here. For Matthew Colossi in that 16C car, he's bringing them around.
Swan and Church continue, there they go. Maynard just can't find his way around those two. They're doing a great job of blocking. Club in that 146 car. Still trying to hold off Church and Swan as Colossi continues to stay out front.
It's still side by side here. Church with barely an edge here. Everybody else say, oh, back to Clay Kurtz and Adam Cartwright now. Clay Kurtz trying to make this move on the fast qualifier.
And Austin Maynard high, low, but still nowhere to go.
Austin Maynard just waiting for something to give that he can get in there as Rockford's coming down.
Swan and Church continue to do a great job to stay in front of him. Club in that 146. They're getting really tight on him as Matthew Colossi has a nice little half-second gap.
Austin Maynard trying everything he could. Well, he could do 3 wide. He almost did. James Swan almost crammed in there. Uh-oh. Something hooked up there between Dan Church and James Swan.
And that's all that Maynard needed because he got a little breath.
Austin Maynard now trying to make his move on Church.
And he was doing good until turn 2, and he lost it all. So Club and Swan are going to go at it. Church right behind them and Maynard.
Here comes Swan on the inside of Nick Club. Here we go. Swan looking to take second place away from Nick Club.
Wow, that's
Austin Maynard.
That's 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place. That could either be a great finish or a wild disaster as they can get to it. We'll have to wait and see as the 18 of Timmy Stewart kind of hangs back. Matthew Colossi coming up on lap traffic, the number 40 of Tom Guiley. But what a battle, Swan, Club, Church, and Maynard. Right now it's Swan ahead in 2nd. Church trying to battle Club for 4th and will get it. And Maynard's back in that position, is stuck behind them both. Colossi continues to lead. Swan in 2nd, Church in 3rd. And we got a caution as we got problems in turn number 4. Looks like the 42 of Adam Cartwright and the 88 of Clay Kurtz. Might have been Clay Kurtz in the 88 machine. Come to a crawl along the back stretch here, just kind of bottle everybody in as the car corner pace car lights are off, ducks under in. It's all going to be on Matthew Colossi in that 16C machine. When is he going to rev it up? When is he not going to rev it up? And he'll rev it up right now. And we're back to green flag racing here at the Rockford Speedway. Oh, we got Danny Church and Swan getting into it in 1 and 2, but they both came away. Any way you look at it, Matthew Colossi benefits because he gets a little bit more of a lead. Adam Cartwright now in your 4th spot in that 42 machine. And just behind him, Austin Maynard, rounding off your top 5. Cartwright having a lot of problems on that backstretch. He might have bounced off the wall as Maynard now inches away from gaining on him. But it's Claus, he's still out front. Church in 2nd, Swan in 3rd. And a nice little battle in the 4th spot with Cartwright and Maynard. Club in the 146 has dropped off a little bit, and so is Timmy Stewart, that is, in the 18 machine. Dan Church looks like having a little problem as we got 1 to go. They're telling me the number 9 of Danny Church has broke out. Clossy in 1st, Swan right behind him in 2nd. Maynard in 3rd, and that double O as they come to the checkered line. It's Matthew Clossy, your winner. James Swan in 2nd. Austin Maynard worked his way up to 3rd. Adam Cartwright in 4th in the 42. And rounding off your top 5, the 146 of Nick Club.
So the 9C of Dan Church breaks out on the 9C of Dan Church. Try that one more time. The 9C of Dan Church breaks out on the last lap. Wow, somebody who hasn't been into victory lane in Rockford for quite a while. As he's unstrapping. Normally races up at Wisconsin Dells, and he's here at Rockford. He's slowly strapping out. Rockford Speedway, what a great race he had. You got your fans here, Matthew. All right, here he comes. Make some noise. Rockford Speedway. It's Matthew. Hang on, he's got to take off his Hans device. Always important. All right, let's try it again. Matthew Clossy. You worked up a sweat. Congratulations here. It's good to be back racing at Rockford as you used to race here quite a bit. Here with the, hang on, I'm losing spot. Come on over here, Matthew. Thank you. Tell us. I think I broke it.
Well, didn't qualify where we wanted to, but it ended up out. Haven't been in a car in over a year and wanted to do the last Bahama bracket with the late model, and we won it.
All right. Okay, I want to ask you, strategy on the restarts, was that a big key today? Would you say so?
Two of the best guys in the pit area were behind me the entire race. Everybody was awesome. Good, clean racing. 2019, baby.
All right, Matt, do you have any sponsors you want to thank?
CRS Motorsports, KRL Racing, Mom and Dad, my girlfriend and the kids. Yeah.
All right, and are you choosing the cash or are you choosing the Bahamas?
Sorry, babe. We're getting the cash.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, Matthew Clossy. All right.